Greetings! We're excited to see your application video soon. Past applicants say it takes no time. A few minutes to set up, a few minutes to rehearse, and then voila, you're ready to go. We hope that if you have any questions, they are addressed here. We also hope that this resource can help you feel ready, confident, and excited to share with us. Let's go! Please feel free to take pictures, pause the video, and take notes as we go. Every candidate must turn in a 1 to 3 minute long video showing how they teach. You can choose one of the 4 options. We will be showing examples of 2 of these options later on in the video. For option A, you can read from a book and simply show how you will teach while reading. For option B, you may choose 3 objects from around your house and show how you would describe them. For option C, you could make your own book to teach from. And for option D, you could find 3 images like photos in a magazine or on food boxes and teach how to describe them. Remember, all candidates only need to do 1 out of the 4 options. Here's what we are looking for in the videos. First, we want to see a self-introduction. Be sure to say hello and give us your full name. Let us know if you are from the US or Canada, as well as which state or province you are from. Let us know if you're ready to upload a degree, a bachelor's or higher, and if you currently have any kind, did I say any kind? of TESOL certificate, or teaching qualification, or credential or license that you're ready to upload. All credentials just mentioned are industry standard at this time. If you're unfamiliar for what options there are for TESOL, that's TESOL certification, we hope you will reach out to Qkids teachers on social media to learn more and to find some quick support. Now let's take a look at what we're expecting to see in your teaching sample. 1. Strong communication skills. 2. Strong demonstration skills. 3. Interaction and encouragement. This would be in front of an imaginary group of students. 4. Intentional use of body language. And 5. The way you express yourself to show that you are supportive and approachable. Are you looking to make an extra strong first impression? Consider showing Qkids recruiters that you are fully ready to get started by showing off your headset, a brightly lit space, how your space would look if you were teaching inside a Qkids classroom. Use a camera with clear resolution and show us your best posture and positioning in the camera frame. To find more examples, please check out Qkids' social media page for information on backgrounds, TESOL certificates, and little to no cost options for getting ready today. Now let's take a look at 2 examples of an application video. Teacher Lily will be showing off option A and option B. These are examples to inspire and guide. We'd like to emphasize that every teacher is different, so feel free to be fresh and original. You don't need to copy what you see here. Teacher Lily's models are great for picking up tips and tricks, so feel free to show off your talents. And again, remember, you will only need to do 1 of the 4 options. Here is option A.
Hello, my name is Lily May. I'm from Ontario, Canada. I'm ready to upload a bachelor's degree and TESOL certificate. Ready, everyone? Let's go. Today, we're going to read, What can mouse smell? Smell. Students, you try. Ready? Smell. Smell. Yes, great work, students. What can mouse smell with his little nose? the fragrance of a red, red rose. What can mouse smell way up high? The lovely smell of a fresh baked pie. What can mouse smell? Is it cheese? No, it's pepper. It makes him sneeze. Ooh. What can mouse smell in the hall? It's cheese at last, the best of all. Yum, 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 yum. Thank you for your consideration.
Here is option B.
Hello, my name is Lily May. I'm from Ontario, Canada. I'm ready to upload a bachelor's degree and TESOL certificate. Today, we'll be learning 3 words. Ready? Let's go. A first word. Umbrella. You say it. Umbrella. Good. It's an umbrella. Can it keep me dry from the rain? No. It is small. It's a small umbrella. Umbrella. Good, good. Second word. Trophy. You say it. Trr. Again? Trr. Trophy. Yes. Trophy. It's a trophy. The trophy is heavy. It's gold and shiny. I love my trophy. Trophy. Good. Third word. Students, do you know what it is? Yes. Hat. It's a hat. Do you have a hat? Oh, some do, some don't. Yes. I love my hat. Hat. Great work.
Hello again! Let's look at some helpful how-tos for making a classroom background and setting up. These tips are only here for those of you who would like to make an extra strong impression to show that you are ready to go. Backgrounds and all the following items are not required to successfully pass the application video with Qkids. So don't worry if you need more time to set up and see if Qkids is a good fit first. Candidates have the option to take care of these items once they are invited to teach a real Qkids class. Well, we're almost done. You can teach in any space. Some people teach in closets, under stairs, in a laundry room, or even in the basement. Your teaching space does not have to be in an office, but you can make any space look like it is. So here are some ideas. First, no cost or low cost backgrounds. Consider using construction paper, wrapping paper, or bed sheets to give you a nice decorative background. You can also add the alphabet, numbers, shapes, or even maps to make your background more educational. Number 2, pro tips for small spaces. Many people use a trifold and an easel to have a mobile background, something that you can put up when you're teaching and take down. Some people use boxes or books to prop up their computer, so their camera is at the same level as their face. Not too high, not too low, just right on that level. Number 3, pro tips for lighting. It's often helpful to have a 3-point setup for lighting, with light set up behind you, next to you, and above your camera or computer. You'll want to try to not have too much light coming from behind you. This will cause a shadow on your face. And now, number 4, pro tips for assessing your presentation. Is your setting bright? Are your video and audio clear and crisp? Do you appear kid-friendly and confident? Thanks for checking out this resource. We hope to see you soon on social media and in the classroom. Bye for now.